Can pets affect HVAC performance? Yes, pets can absolutely affect how well your heating and cooling system works, mainly because of fur, dander, and dust that build up inside your filters, ducts, and vents over time. Think of your HVAC system like your lungs, and the air filter is like a tiny mask that catches dust and pet hair before it spreads through your whole house. When you have a cat or a dog, that mask gets dirty so much faster because fur and dander float around and get sucked into the vents constantly. Once that filter gets clogged, your system has to work way harder to push air through, kind of like trying to breathe through a straw that is full of cotton balls. This makes your energy bills go up and puts extra strain on the motor, which can wear it out faster than normal. Something a lot of people do not know is that pet hair does not just clog the filter, it also settles inside the ductwork itself, which can slowly reduce airflow to certain rooms without you even noticing. Over time, this buildup can even become a breeding ground for bacteria and odors that get blown right back into your living space. A simple but powerful habit is to check your filter every 2 to 3 weeks if you have pets, instead of waiting the usual 90 days most people wait. One common mistake is assuming that a bigger, more expensive filter automatically fixes the pet hair problem, when really it is about how often you change it, not just the type you buy. Another big misconception is thinking that if the air still feels cool or warm coming out of the vents, everything must be fine, but reduced airflow can be happening quietly for months before you notice higher bills or uneven temperatures. A lot of pet owners also forget to have their ducts professionally cleaned every couple of years, and that is honestly one of the most overlooked steps for keeping air quality and system efficiency in good shape. If you need help with the project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.